Welcome back, guys, and today is the third day of my daily coding vlogs. So, as the days are passing by, I realize that the next chapters will be easy as well as hard for me to understand, of course. Now, the next two chapters are data types and sorry, data types revisited and C preprocessors. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Data types revisited. This one was more technical chapter because in this there were signed as well as unsigned variable, and there were value limits and storage types. Both of these we have learned in our earlier classes of 10th state board, but of course I didn't pay attention there. Storage class is basically for optimization and to make programs more fast and responsive, and data types also serve similar purpose but just more the way that I can't understand. Also, if you are C if your C program is small, then you won't have to care enough to optimize it, because if it is small, then of course it will take less time to compile and execute it. But if it is that big, then it's time for you to learn this. As for me, I will just remember the practical use case and not that tactical specifications kind of things. On to the next word, which is C preprocessor. If the source code is passed through preprocessor, then it creates expanded source code. Now you will think that what are preprocessor used for? The simple answer is it's not your business. Just kidding. Preprocessor are of used as micro expansion, second as file inclusion, third one for conditional compilation, and four miscellaneous directive. Sorry if I have taken the words pronounced the words wrong. I will not explain every single one in detail because they are kind of long for me to explain, and I can make an entire separate video on this in near future if I didn't suffer from burnout. In simple words, macro expansion serves the function as functions, and file inclusion, by the name you can understand that it includes files to the C program that you have created. Conditional completion, by the name, compiles that statement is a macro name if a macro name is defined or not. For some of you, most of my words have gone straight up from the head. For that, I am sorry. I am not a good teacher. I cannot explain what I have understood. So now it's the end of today's video. You might be thinking, okay, why this guy is continuing his series like he is getting almost no views? I am doing it for myself. That's the simplest answer I can give. And there is a message for my future self that nobody is watching this video, so you can continue. See you tomorrow. Bye.